You love having a clean car, but washing with a sponge and bucket takes too much time. It's back-breaking work and it could scratch your vehicle. Plus, car washes are so expensive. But now, there's Carwash Cannon, the professional quality car wash system with revolutionary foam blasting technology that does all the work for you. Sparkling clean every time. Simply attach the Carwash Cannon to a garden hose, add liquid soap, then spray your dirty car with the thick cleansing foam. It's so powerful, your entire vehicle will be covered in seconds. Then just turn the dial to the rinse setting and wash the soap away to reveal your clean car with professional results every time. Watch how this dirty car is transformed in seconds with the super cleansing foam and a simple rinse. Just look at the difference. The secret is hydrofoam technology that infuses massive amounts of air into the soap and water to create a blanket of thick foam, just like a real car wash. The air-charged foam then lifts dirt and dust from the surface of your car. We drove this off-road vehicle through giant patches of mud, then let it bake on for hours in the hot sun. Watch how Carwash Cannon eliminates the mess with a sudsy blast, leaving a sparkling clean shine in just minutes. Got bugs on your bumper? Just blast, then rinse. And it's squeaky clean without any hard work scrubbing. Use Carwash Cannon on your cars, motorcycles, boats, ATVs, trailers, and more. Or even clean the siding on your home. And it's perfect for restoring patio furniture. What a difference! Clean your car fast with a super sudsy blast. Carwash Cannon.